Are you wondering which is better for managing containers? Today, we'll compare Docker and Kubernetes. Both tools help developers work with containers, making it easier to build, ship, and run applications. But they serve different purposes. Docker is mainly a platform to create and manage containers. It allows you to package your application and all its dependencies into a single container. This makes it easy to run your app anywhere. On the other hand, Kubernetes is a powerful system for managing a group of containers. It helps you deploy, scale, and manage containerized applications across a cluster of machines. Now, let's look at their key differences. Docker is focused on creating and running containers. Kubernetes is about managing those containers at scale. When it comes to features, Docker offers a simple way to create containers. It has a user friendly command line and a graphical interface. Kubernetes, however, provides advanced features like load balancing, self healing, and automated rollouts. In terms of pricing, Docker has a free version but also offers paid plans for businesses. Kubernetes is open source and free to use, but you might have costs for the infrastructure it runs on. So, who should choose what? If you need to build and run containers quickly, Docker is a great choice. But if you want to manage many containers across multiple servers, Kubernetes is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.